What if our bridges could tell us they're feeling sick long before they ever show any symptoms? What if you could design an entire skyscraper in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee? This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality of civil engineering, and it's being written by artificial intelligence. For centuries, civil engineering has been the literal foundation of human progress. We've built monuments that scrape the sky and bridges that span the impossible. But for all that progress, the tools we've used have been rooted in the past, in manual calculations, endless revisions, and a process that's often slow and expensive. We build, we wait, and when something inevitably breaks, we fix it. This reactive approach has served us, but it has its limits. We see those limits in our aging infrastructure, in projects that spiral over budget, and in catastrophic failures that could have been prevented. But what if we could flip that script entirely? What if, instead of reacting to the past, we could accurately predict the future? That's the game-changing shift that artificial intelligence brings to the table. AI isn't just another tool. It's becoming a collaborator, a creative partner that is actively rewriting the rules of civil engineering from the ground up. Title: How AI is Writing the Future of Civil Engineering. Intro and Hook. Section 1. The Digital Master Builder, Generative Design. Let's start at the beginning of any project, the design. Traditionally, this is a slow dance of trial and error. An engineer creates a design, tests it, finds its flaws, tweaks it, and starts all over again. This process can take weeks, even months. Now picture this. You walk up to a computer and give it a wish list. You say, I need a building with this much floor space. It has to get tons of natural light, use as little steel as possible, and withstand a hurricane, all while staying under budget. You hit enter, and in minutes, the computer doesn't give you one design, it gives you thousands. This is generative design. It's an AI-powered process that explores a universe of solutions, dreaming up options a human might never consider. It's a brilliant partnership. The engineer defines the problem, and the AI explores every possibility. A fantastic real-world example is the Autodesk Technology Center in Toronto. When designing their own office, they didn't just draw a floor plan. They gave the AI their goals: maximize daylight, place collaborating teams near each other, and account for different employee work styles. The AI churned out countless layouts, each a unique solution to the puzzle of a modern workspace. The final design wasn't just about efficiency. It was a space optimized for human well-being, born from a blend of human insight and machine learning. This isn't about replacing the architect. It's about giving them a superpower. Section 2. The All-Seeing Eye. Predictive Maintenance. Once a structure is built, the next challenge begins, keeping it standing safely for decades. Historically, this has been a guessing game. We inspect bridges on a schedule and fix cracks when we see them. The problem? By the time damage is visible to the naked eye, it's often already a serious issue. AI is changing this with predictive maintenance, essentially giving our infrastructure a nervous system. We embed tiny sensors that constantly feel for changes in vibration, strain, and temperature. Drones with high-resolution cameras fly by, using computer vision to spot microscopic defects a human would miss. All of this data streams into a machine learning model that learns the unique heartbeat of a structure, its normal, healthy rhythm. The moment the AI detects a tiny deviation, it flags it for engineers, long before it can become a disaster. This is already happening. Water utilities use AI to listen to the pressure in thousands of miles of pipelines, detecting leaks and saving millions of gallons of water. This technology can even help reduce a building's water usage by about 20%. This proactive approach isn't just about safety, it's about saving a fortune. Studies have shown that predictive maintenance can reduce unplanned downtime by up to 50% and lower overall maintenance costs by as much as 40%. Instead of scrambling for expensive emergency repairs, engineers can perform smart, targeted fixes that extend the life of our most critical assets. Section 3. The Smart Job Site. AI in Construction Management. This AI revolution isn't just happening in the design office, it's also transforming the controlled chaos of the construction site. The construction industry has always been one of the most dangerous, but AI is ushering in a new era of safety and efficiency. Imagine a job site where the ultimate safety supervisor is an AI that never blinks and never takes a coffee break. Cameras around the site feed a live video stream to a computer vision system. It can instantly detect if a worker wanders into a dangerous area, if someone forgets their hard hat, or if equipment is being operated unsafely. An alert is sent to the site manager in real time, allowing them to step in before an accident happens. Think of it as a real-time safety subscription. And speaking of which, if you want to subscribe to a feed of videos exploring the future of technology, now's a great time to hit that button. This isn't Big Brother surveillance. It's about creating a digital safety net for every person on site. Beyond safety, AI is streamlining project management. It can analyze project data to predict bottlenecks before they happen, making sure materials and crews are in the right place at the right time. Autonomous bulldozers and drones are already out there, surveying and excavating land with incredible precision. This frees up human crews to focus on the complex, creative work that no machine can do. Section 4. The human element. Engineer plus AI, the new dream team. With all this talk of automation, the big question always comes up. Is AI going to take the civil engineer's job? You can breathe a sigh of relief. The answer is a hard no. Think of it less as a replacement and more as a promotion. AI is a tireless assistant. It excels at the grunt work, running thousands of simulations, sifting through mountains of data, and automating the tedious tasks that used to consume an engineer's day. By taking over that work, AI frees up engineers to focus on what humans do best: creative problem solving, high-level design strategy, and making crucial judgment calls that no algorithm can handle. The engineer's role is evolving from a doer of tasks to a manager of intelligent systems. They're the ones who define the problems for the AI, interpret its solutions, and use their expertise to make the final call. This does mean the next generation of engineers will need to be fluent in data and comfortable working with these new digital tools. Section 5. Challenges and the road ahead. Okay, so it's not all perfectly optimized bridges and sunshine. This transition has its hurdles. Any AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased or incomplete, the results will be flawed. Then there are the big, tricky questions around liability. If an AI-generated design fails, who's legally on the hook? The engineer? The software company? The black box nature of some AI, where it's hard to see how it reached a conclusion, makes it tough to certify and trust. These are serious issues we need to solve with clear standards, transparent AI models, and regulations that can keep up with the pace of innovation. From generating thousands of designs in minutes to predicting a bridge failure before it happens, AI is fundamentally changing the DNA of civil engineering. It's pushing the entire industry away from a reactive model of fixing what's broken and toward a predictive, proactive, and incredibly powerful future. We're moving from a world of manual guesswork to one of automated optimization. This is about more than just building faster and cheaper. It's about building a future that's smarter, safer, and more sustainable. It's about creating infrastructure that can adapt, that uses fewer resources, and that serves us all better. The future of our world won't be designed by humans alone, and it won't be designed by machines alone. It will be built through a powerful partnership between the two. The blueprint is being written as we speak, and it's being written in the language of artificial intelligence. What do you think is the most exciting, or maybe the most worrying, part of this AI revolution in engineering? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you're fascinated by how technology is reshaping our world, make sure you subscribe in Code and Cash and ring that notification bell so you never miss a deep dive. And if you learned something new today, hitting that like button and sharing this video with a friend is the best way to support the channel. Thanks for watching.